going to play a game now where you need to work with a friend or a partner. Find a partner, everybody.
Where's your partner going to be, Marcy? Lola.
Okay, so we're doing blindfolding now, so you two work together. Okay. Let's put that. Okay, everybody, take the blindfold and pass them on. It's a little bit. So you're all going to introduce yourselves to a tree. Oh, take it off and put it on again in a minute. It's very big.
Come on, YouTube.
Oh, look! What's that?
Hold it down, let's get it back.
Mushrooms. Toadstools. Jane, we found mushrooms. They might be poisonous, so I told her not to. Yeah, Zachary, have you seen these mushrooms?
The mushroom.
Gather round and we'll all have a look at Martino's picture.
Right on that side, right on the other side, can you see all this water is going really fast and that water is really, really still on the other side? It's not moving, can you see? Can you see it? That bit is the pool. That's where the fishes hide to have a rest.
Tell Jane what it is.
Two fishes!
There's lots of fishes and
Lots of fishes.
what do you call it? Seaweed and a bone, fish bone. And some
Come and look at
little
Zora's
baby fishes.
Oh, they're lovely. Well done.
Hello.
What's this?
Look at that. It's a butterfly leaf. See that? Wow. It's pretty, isn't it? So the butterfly is going to come and land on the doglet. Flap, flap, flap,
Martino's
flap.
made a dragon face. Does anyone want to
2 more legs.
They're saying hello. Hello, doggy. Said the butterfly. Woof, said the dog.
Who else wants to show us a picture? Rhiannon, can we see your picture? Can we see Rhiannon's picture? Where's Rhiannon? Look, you do it as well, Harry.
Cosa vuoi vedere? Sì?